Today, I'm going to show you how to use an exercise band door hanger. These usually come in any set of exercise bands that you can buy online. They're easier to use than they look. So today I'm going to show you what to do and what not to do, how to anchor your exercise band so that you can get great workouts safely. Most exercise band kits are going to look a little something like this. And they're going to come with one of these loop things that has like either a solid ball that's covered in fabric or some kind of big bulbous object on the end of it, and a loop that you can put your exercise bands through, and it's going to go through something like that. So you thread them through, so you just put your handles on just like this, and then this hanger thing is going to hang on the other side of a door. Throw it on top of a door that closes towards you. So this is one way to do it, but I'm going to show you another way too. But this is the most secure way to do it. If you use a door that opens towards you, you have to be really careful. It can be a little bit tricky. That door has the potential to open and let go of the anchor, and you could get injured or at least not have a very good workout experience, and that's no fun. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it properly. Let's say that you don't have a door that closes towards you. Let's say that you just have a door like this one. Here's what to do. You can thread this guy through the crack in the door and then be able to close it. And then from there, you can get your band through there. If you want, you can also thread this in through the top. That way you don't have to do any threading between the hinges. And even though this door is not the perfect door, I've got some work to do on this door, you still might be able to use it even if it opens. Let's see. So here you can see that this doesn't really go through, and that would be a pretty solid anchor. Just in case this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, my name is Gary and I like to make exercise demonstration videos. I do this for my clients. This is just what I like to do, so I hope you're enjoying it. Just go ahead and give me a follow and keep that education coming.